Did you know that if you buy antique furniture, you're actually getting a better value than many of the new furniture pieces found today? Antique furniture is solid and costs less than buying new. At the Des Moines Brass Armadillo Antique Mall, you'll find a large selection of antique furniture along with thousands of other antiques and collectibles. Our mall is over 36,000 square feet and has more than 450 quality antique dealers. We have many dealers that have been with us since we opened in 1992. This is a busy place with new items arriving daily. We're a favorite destination for many travelers and local customers alike. Here you'll find that treasure you've been looking for, and you can discover why the Brass Armadillo is the ultimate shopping adventure. If you're a younger collector, you will be happily surprised at the kind of opportunities that the Brass Armadillo can bring to you and your collection. So if you're in the area, stop by and see us. We are located on I-8035 between the 14th and 2nd Avenue exits. We're open daily from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and you can always visit us online at brassarmadillo.com.